Even having a picture of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama can send you to jail, and that's happening in Tibet. All around the world, people believe in basic human right to speak out, practice their belief, and feel safe. These rights connect everyone, but in Tibet, simple acts like holding pictures of beloved leader or singing a traditional song can put someone into a prison. Imagine facing a year in a jail for celebrating your faith, teaching your language, or standing up for your community. That's everyday reality for many Tibetans. Anya Sengra and Sogon Tsering, both imprisoned for exposing local corruption and protecting the environment. Kindrin Chukinyima, kidnapped when he was a 6-year-old child, is still missing these days, simply for being recognized as a Rinchen Lama. Rinchen Ki, a Tibetan school teacher, detained for protesting forced closure of the school she taught. Tashi Wangchuk, a Tibetan activist, beaten and jailed for peaceful protesting his language rights. Gombo Ki, detained, harassed and tortured for protesting the bogus charges against her brother Dojitashi, who is serving a life sentence. These names are just a few amongst the 100. Because rights and freedom don't stop at the borders. In a world that values the compassion and justice, when anyone's dignity is denied, and it's a call for us. When Tibetans are jailed for their belief, it's a violation of human basic freedom and its right. Whether in Tibet, Hong Kong, Ukraine or beyond, the desire for freedom and respect connect every person. As a part of one global community, standing up for Tibetans means standing up for the rights we all cherish. The world is watching. When we share those stories and speak out, we make harder for injustice to hide. By joining the International Tibet Network's global campaign, you can help ensure these voices are not forgotten. Even a small donation can make a meaningful difference. Together, we can stand with Tibet in the most powerful way, with compassion, solidarity, and action. You can help by making a small donation on this link and share this video. Free Tibet.